Imagine the joy on their face when a surprise bouquet arrives at their doorstep, vibrant colors bursting with life, each petal whispering a message of love. It's not just flowers, it's a symphony of emotions, crafted with care to convey what words sometimes cannot. Paired with a box of decadent chocolates, each piece a sweet indulgence, it transforms an ordinary day into something extraordinary. Birthdays, anniversaries, or simply a moment to say, "I'm thinking of you," become unforgettable with this thoughtful gesture. With just a few clicks, you can brighten someone's day, delivering happiness right to their home. And in a world that often feels rushed, this simple act of kindness can create ripples of joy. So why wait? Celebrate the moments that matter, and let the beauty of handcrafted bouquets and delightful treats speak for you. Because sometimes, the best gifts are the ones that come straight from the heart. Brighten their day with a colorful arrangement of fresh blooms and a sweet treat to indulge in. Order now for a special delivery that will bring joy and smiles to their face.
Visit www.flowersonlinephilippines.com to place your order online. You may also call us at this number +63992.